RCBC, pinakinang ang Makati.
Hello everyone! Nakita niyo na ba tong video na to or napadaan na ba siya sa feed niyo? Nako, kung hindi pa, kailangan niyo tong makita. This is the RCBC Digital Christmas Wonderland here in Makati. At talaga namang kumikinang at kumukuti-kutitap, nakaka-happy talaga. You will feel a New York vibes. Promise, para kang nasa ibang bansa talaga. RCBC is a reliable and trustworthy financial institution. Sa lahat ng services and products nila like RCBC Pulse, trusted na talaga namin gamitin ever since. Indeed, it helps every Filipino's financial journey. So if you want to get inspired like me, panoorin ang video sa RCBC YouTube channel or check in my comment section. So ayan lang, see you